So, the problems with 5G. This is some stuff that I've written, so it's going to sound a bit strange rather than conversational. It's being read. So 5G stands for the fifth generation of mobile networks and digital communication systems. And it turns out that 5G is everything to do with artificial intelligence and something called the Internet of Everything. And that 5G and the AI and the Internet of Everything adds up to this thing called the Fourth Industrial Revolution. And the Fourth Industrial Revolution is somewhere along the lines of our physical world being filled with machinery and technology that's consistently digitally saturated, to say that there are little ones and zeros, or more realistically, pulses of light, non-light, light, non-life, which is pulses of frequencies which are invisible to us, but which these machines are transmitting. And the upshot of what I've looked into says that the scale of how interconnected 5G makes things is that all over the planet, all the technology that's been made by humanity so far all adds up to one organism, or one gigantic piece of technology that isn't loads of separate machines anymore. It's one interconnected machine with this artificial intelligence connecting worldwide through every one of those machines. And the thing about the machines then is it's not just the original military machinery that goes back like 100 years and more. It's not just all the American and British and European and Russian and Chinese and all the other world states, the Saudi Arabians and everyone else. It's not just all those separate countries anymore. It's all the countries under the United Nations. And the United Nations having a plan, and that plan being a technological plan for how to manage the planet and all the people on it. And these things weigh down to a matter of faith, whether one has faith in these institutions that they're going to manage everything in the best way possible, or whether one has faith in these institutions that they're actually set up to control things for some very evil kind of a plan, which the internet is full of, which people's minds therefore are full of, which is a plan for depopulation and ultimate control of human destiny and all that. So it becomes like a spiritual issue as to whether we're sucked into an internet and caught up in a game where we are being played by the machinery and by the system and by the elite, if you want to talk about humans at the top of it or something. But where in their science information is being inputted into our minds, and whatever goes in is processed and comes out. So we start speaking into the real world stuff that we've learned from looking and listening to a screen. And so there's a feedback loop. What I'm doing right now is I'm feeding information with a wish to share it with other people and to understand it myself. Because I'm not actually reading out any of this now, I've ended up just chatting. So there's something evolutionary in being able to describe what's going on inside in one's own inner world. And there's something evolutionary in being able to speak that and put it into words. And I guess I have a talent for being able to speak off the cuff. And maybe that's because I'm so concentrated on trying to understand what the heck is going on with the world these days.